Children, today we are here to discuss the next chapter in your GK book of class 8, that is chapter number 14, groups of animals. So, based on different characteristics, animals are divided into several different groups. Given below are descriptions of some of these groups. Write the names of the groups with the help of the clues. So, sorry, let's discuss each question one by one and try to find the answer. Okay, the very first question: the animals of this group have hair on their bodies to keep themselves warm. They are warm blooded, that is, they can maintain their own body temperature at a comfortable level. They can feed their babies on their milk. Horse, lion, human, kangaroo, etc. are some common examples. So, basically, these group of animals are called as mammals. Okay, Mammals. So, answer number one is mammals. Come to question number two. In this group, there are some mammals that lay eggs and hatch their young. There exist only two types of mammals in this group: the duckbill platypus from Australia and the spiny ant eater from Australia and New Guinea. So, the answer will be monotremes. Monotremes. Tremes. The Please do not write the wrong spelling. You can just see the spelling from the clue box itself and then write the correct spelling in the blank provided. Understood? Now, come to question number 3. In this group, the babies of mammals are born very tiny and undeveloped. Most of the babies grow inside pouches on their mothers' bodies. Kangaroos, koalas, wombats, bandicoots, etc. are some common examples. So, we very well know that the animals which have pouch in their body, okay, pouch like structure in their body, are termed as marsupials, and they carry their babies in their pouch. Okay, so the spelling of marsupial is Marsupials, marsupials. Okay, come to question number 4. In this group, the babies of mammals are born relatively well developed. When a baby is growing inside its mother, it lives inside a kind of protective sac. Its blood supply is linked to its mother's. Humans, cows, buffaloes, etc. are some common examples. So, the answer will be placental. So, this in this group of animals are termed as placental, which mm, this which who get the source of food from the mother's blood. Okay, so the answer is placental. Placental, placental. That is placenta is the source of food for them. Now come to question number 5. The animals in this group have a body encased. Encased means covered in a case. Encased in a large, strong, domed shell. Turtles, tortoises, and terrapins are common examples. You might have seen a hard covering on the body of turtle and tortoises. Okay, so these group of animals are termed as chelonians. Okay, Chelonians, chelonians. Clear? Now come to question number 6. The animals in this group are cold blooded and have 3 pairs of jointed legs. Many of them have compound eyes made of hundred of tiny lenses. Their body is divided into head, abdomen, and thorax. So these basically these group of animals are termed as insects. कीड़े मकोड़े जिनको बोलते हैं. Okay, come to question number 7. The animals in this group are cold blooded, hence they need to live in a warm climate. Their skin is waterproof and scaly. Most of them lay eggs with tough protective shells. lizards and snakes are common examples. जो रेंगने वाले होते हैं. Okay, so those are termed as reptiles. reptiles, reptiles. I hope you all might be writing the answers. Please do write the answers. Now come to question number 8. Animals of this group spend part of their lives in water and part of their lives on land. Frogs, toads, newts and salamanders are common examples. कुछ कुछ animals होते हैं जो वो land पे भी रहते हैं और water में भी रहते हैं. Okay, so those types of animals are termed as amphibians. AMPHIBIANS, amphibians. Now come to question number 9. The animals of this group do not have a skeleton. उनमें skeleton नहीं होते हैं. They may have an external or internal shell. Snails, squids, octopuses and oysters are common examples. So basically these group of animals are termed as molluscous. MOLLUSCS, molluscus. Okay. Now come to question number 10. The creatures of this group have 8 legs. Scorpions, harvestmen, mites and spiders are common examples. So these group of animals who have 8 legs are termed as arachnids. Okay, arachnids. ARACHNIDS, arachnids. Okay, now come to question number 11. The animals in this group have hands with fingers and forward facing eyes. Apes, humans, lemurs, monkeys, etc. are common examples of these group of animals. So the answer will be primates. PRIMATES, primates. Okay, now come to question number 12. The mammals in this group have 2 pairs of ever growing razor sharp front teeth which they use to gnaw at food. Gnaw मतलब क्या होता है? GNAW, gnaw मतलब कुतरना या काटना. Okay, rats, mice, weasels, guinea pigs, rabbits, etc. are common examples. So these group of animals are termed as rodents. RODENTS, rodents. Okay. Come to question number 13. This group consists of beautiful insects. The wings of these insects are covered with tiny duct-like scales. Butterflies and moths are common examples. So the name of this group of animals is termed as Lepidopterans. 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 DOPTERANS. Lepidopterans. Okay. So I hope the chapter is clear to you. You might have very well understood. Now if you haven't written the answer till now, please write the answers in the blanks provided and learn it by heart. Clear? And please children, do keep on writing whatever chapters are being sent, whatever chapters are being sent through video. Please fill in the book itself and write those chapters in the copy also. Clear? So that's all for today. Thank you.